Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to do a simple makeup using the best affordable product. So this look is going to create today, and if you want to know how I get this look, what I did to create this look, please continue watching. And I'm using all affordable product which is very reasonable and you can get easily. So without any delay, let's get into the video guys. So first thing, I'm going to use aloe vera gel as my moisturizing today. Aloe vera is the best thing, you can use it as your moisturizer, and this is the best for oily skin. So as you all know, mine is very oily skin, so I'm going to use this aloe vera gel as my moisturizer and as a base. So I'm applying all over my face. So next I'm going to moisturize my lip using my Burt's Bees lip balm. So this is one of my favorite lip balm, and this will keep your lip hydrated for a long time. And next I'm going to use my primer. Here I'm using Catrice primer. This is a very reasonable, and this is the best for oily skin, and this will make your pores minimize, and it will make your makeup stay long time. So I'm applying all over my face. So next I'm moving to color corrector. Color corrector is completely optional if you don't have discoloration. So I have so much of discoloration, so I'm using color corrector, orange color corrector. So as you can see, I'm using a very little bit of product, not so much. So I'm applying wherever I have discoloration, wherever I have dark spots. So I'm blending with my concealer brush. So once I finished my applying color corrector, I'm using my wet beauty blender to just take out the excess of product. So next I'm moving to the powder here. I'm not going to apply concealer today. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 330 Trophy, I think. So what I'm doing here, I'm applying a powder wherever I color corrected. So if you don't have concealer, don't worry. So you can use your powder as a concealer. So I'm almost done here. So next I'm going to use my foundation here. I'm using a Fit Me foundation. This is a very reasonable and the best foundation in the market. So, and also you will get it for very less price, I think. So, and even I'm not using too much of product, I'm just taking a very little bit of product. So using my stippling brush here, I'm applying all over my face. Using a stippling brush, this will gives you a flawless finish, and it gives you a hairbrush finish. It gives you a flawless look, guys. So applying over my neck. So next I'm moving to concealer. I'm using LA Girl concealer in the shade Almond. This is also a very affordable price. You can get it in Nykaa. This is in the shade Almond, I think. So using my concealer brush, I'm blending. You can use your beauty blender, and it should be wet, guys, the beauty blender. So next I'm moving to the powder part. Powder part, I'm using a Wet n Wild contouring powder. This is the best contouring powder. I just love this. So using this yellow banana powder, I'm setting my under eye, and I'm just setting wherever I have applied concealer. So using another brush, I'm dusting out excess powder. I'm taking a foundation, the same foundation, and applying for my eyes to just set it up, and using the same powder I'm gonna set with the foundation. So I'm using a kajal here. I'm using a Health and Glow kajal. So using my eyeliner and just creating a small wing liner here. So next I'm moving to my eyebrow. So guys, here I'm using my eyeshadow palette for fill my eyebrow. I'm taking a dark black color to fill my eyebrow. You can use here, if you don't have eyebrow or pomade or eyebrow kit, you can use your eyeshadow palette. So that in eyeshadow palette you will be having a black or brown, dark brown color, so you can use that. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm using my black color in eyeshadow palette. So next, moving to contour. For contour, if you don't have a bronzer or contour palette, you can use your eyeshadow palette. Here I'm using a Makeup Revolution palette. In that, as you can see, I'm taking a dark brown color to just create my contour. So I'm using as a bronzer, you can use as contour, that's all your wish. So same color I'm using for nose contour also. So guys, here I'm showing you my blush palette, which I use always, and this is my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. So both has similar color, so you can use as your blush. So if you don't have blush palette or contour palette, no need to worry, we always have one eyeshadow palette, so in that we will have everything. So I'm using a pink color as my blush today. As I told you, I'm taking a dark brown for my nose contour also. So guys, today I forgot my mascara, sorry. And I'm moving to my highlighting part. So highlighting, I love this Wet n Wild highlighter. So this is a very reasonable, you can easily get it, or if you don't have, you can use your eyeshadow palette. In that you will have shimmery shade, you can use as your highlighter. So if you don't like, you can just skip this part. So next I'm using a lip liner from Essence. This is the best affordable lip liner, I will say, and I love Essence product. So this is a dark brown lip liner. On top of that, I'm going to use Maybelline lipstick, which is a very red color, cherry red or dark red. So guys, if you have done any mistake in your lipstick, no need to worry, you can use your buds to correct your mistake. So after that, I'm just powdering that part. So guys, I'm done with everything. Here is my final look, and you can create this look in 10 minutes guys, trust me. So using all the best affordable product, I have created this look, and also you can get it all this product easily. And I hope this video will be very useful for you all. Thank you so much for watching this video guys, and if you are watching my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe and hit a bell icon so that you will get a notification when I upload a new video guys. So see you all on my next video. Thank you, bye bye.